Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, a game changer for all your printing needs. Imagine a world where you never have to worry about running out of ink, where printing is not only affordable but also eco-friendly. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let me introduce you to the Epson EcoTank ET-2803 Wireless Color All-in-One Cartridge-free EcoTank printer, a revolutionary device that's about to change the way you think about printing forever. One of the most innovative features of the Epson EcoTank ET-2803 is its cartridge-free printing system. Gone are the days of tiny, expensive ink cartridges that always seem to run out at the worst possible moment. With this printer, you get a set of ink bottles that are equivalent to about 80 individual cartridges, which is just mind-blowing. But what does this mean for you? It means you can print to your heart's content without breaking the bank or worrying about running out of ink. Whether you're a student printing out assignments, a professional printing documents, or a photographer printing out your latest masterpieces, this printer has got you covered. But the benefits don't stop there. The Epson EcoTank ET-2803 also offers dramatic savings on replacement ink. With traditional printers, you're often forced to buy expensive ink cartridges that can be a significant expense, especially if you print frequently. But with this printer, you can save a significant amount of money on replacement ink bottles, which is equivalent to printing up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 pages in color. That's a lot of printing, and the cost savings are substantial. Just think about all the money you can save over the lifespan of this printer, and how you can use that money to invest in other important things. Another feature that really sets the Epson EcoTank ET-2803 apart is its stress-free printing experience. With up to 2 years of ink in the box, you can print without worrying about running out of ink for a long time. And when you do need to replace the ink, the process is easy and worry-free, thanks to Epson's exclusive EcoFit ink bottles. No more frantic searches for replacement cartridges or last-minute trips to the store. With this printer, you can just sit back, relax, and print to your heart's content. And the best part is, you'll be reducing your environmental impact at the same time, since you won't be contributing to the massive amount of cartridge waste that ends up in landfills every year. But what really gets me excited about the Epson EcoTank ET-2803 is the impact it can have on the environment. By using an EcoTank printer, you can help reduce the amount of cartridge waste that ends up in landfills, which is a significant problem. Millions of cartridges are thrown away every year, and they can take hundreds of years to decompose. But with this printer, you can do your part to reduce waste and live a more sustainable lifestyle. And the best part is, you won't have to sacrifice any quality or performance to do so. The Epson EcoTank ET-2803 is a high-quality printer that produces stunning prints, scans, and copies, all while being eco-friendly. So, what are you waiting for? If you're tired of the hassle and expense of traditional printers, it's time to make the switch to the Epson EcoTank ET-2803. With its innovative cartridge-free printing system, dramatic savings on replacement ink, stress-free printing experience, and eco-friendly design, this printer is a game-changer. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today, and experience the future of printing for yourself. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer has the potential to revolutionize the way you print, and I'm excited to see the impact it will have on your life. So, go ahead, take the leap, and join the printing revolution.